poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia Imani, and as you guys can see from the title today, your girl is doing an extreme closet clean out, okay? Excuse the bonnet, excuse the PJs. This is just not a cute type of vibe video. We're getting down and dirty in this closet. 90% of this stuff gotta go, because honestly my style has changed. I'm turning 30. Some of the stuff I've had for years, majority of the stuff still has tags on, so it just gotta go. Like I just want to start fresh, okay? As you guys can see, this whole side is cleared out. All of that stuff is actually on my bed. This is all of my dresses. So what I'm gonna do is remove literally everything out and go through it and see if I want to keep it, if I want to toss it, and then we're gonna put everything back. So stay tuned. Let's go on this journey together.
Yeah. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me, what is your name? She made us drinks, the drink. We drunk and drunk, and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and then I think that we hit on something proper. Like the bartender, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender, if you're looking for me, like the bartender.
Okay, so while this dries, I'm going to take a quick little water break for like 10 minutes, and then we're going to start sorting everything.
Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new vibe. Give a shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks, the drink. We drunk and drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and then I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight. I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay, bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay.
Okay, y'all, so I just thought of something. So my dresser takes up like literally half of my hanging space on this side, which literally takes up a bunch of space for clothes pretty much. So I have a mirror over here when you come out of my closet, and then there's just a blank space next to it, and I had my laundry basket there, but I took the measurements, and I'm thinking about moving my laundry basket, moving this over there, and putting my laundry basket in my closet. And so basically I would use this half for like my matching sets, hoodies, and that's going to be stuff that's literally not going to need the full length. And then I can put my laundry basket underneath that. I had to say it out loud in order for it to make sense. We're going to try it, and yeah. BRB.
Back it up and dump it back it up. It's me like
okay, so I moved it right here. Now, yes, is it blocking partial walking space? Yes, it is. But I'm not mad at it because my laundry basket was also blocking half the space as well, and I can still reach my outlet. So I'm not really mad at this. I think as of right now, this is just the best bet. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this, and let's just continue.
Escalate 23 inch red. Jumping out the Jaguar with the Benz. Keep your bread up and live good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay fly. And if you ballin', let me hear you say right.
It's little Kim and Timberland, nigga, shit your drawers. Special delivery to you and yours. I rep the bitches, he rep the boys. If you rep your hood, just make some noise. Got my eye on the guy in the orange coat. Don't need no cream bee, got the ill deep throat. Let me show you what I'm all about. How I make a Sprite can disappear in my mouth. Shake up the dice, throw down your ice. Bet it all, play your fucking price. Money ain't a thing, throw it out like rice. Been around the world, cop the same thing twice. Rub on my tits, squeeze on my ass. Give me some step on the gas. Pop the cork and roll up the hash. You know what we about, sex, drugs, and cash.
With the Bentley's, the Hummers, the Benz. Escalade 23 inch red. Jumping out the Jaguar with the Benz. Keep your bread up and live good. East Coast, West Coast.
Okay guys, so we are at the end of part 1. I didn't realize it was gonna, well, I should have realized, but I didn't realize that I was going to do this video in 2 parts. I just feel like this is just a lot for one video, and the next part is going to be really good because I'm going to be putting up all of my new clothes that I just got, and everything that was like on the floor in my closet is also going to be placed on hangers or tossed out, and it's going to be placed up here. And then I'm going to do my shoes also, my shoes and my bags in part 2. I just feel like this was just a lot, and I didn't want to make this video super long because it can get repetitive. So yes, join me for part 2. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Welcome to my chaotic closet. But I am really proud of the progress I made so far. This is good. I can deal with this. So again, part 2 is on the way. When I post this, it's going to be Sunday, so part 2 will be up on Wednesday. So hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading. Like, duh. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys are doing a fall closet change. I know for my people on the East Coast, you're probably getting into more fall, wintry clothes and putting the summer clothes away. I'm in LA, so I don't really have to do that to like the extent of my East Coasters. But yes, subscribe, y'all. These Invisaligns be kicking my ass. But yes, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys on Wednesday in my next video. Bye.